Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today we're taking a closer look at the Wolfbox MegaVolt 16 Air to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product: high-capacity 3,000 ampere jump starter, powered by a robust 16,000 milliampere-hours or 88.8 watt-hour battery. This jump starter delivers 3,000 ampere peak current to revive completely dead 12-volt vehicles, gasoline engines up to 10 liters, diesel engines up to 10 liters. Perfect for sedans, SUVs, pickups, motorcycles, and lawnmowers. It's engineered for reliability and provides up to 40 jump starts on a full charge, adapting to your vehicle's battery condition and size. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Wolfbox MegaVolt 16 Air, battery clamps, storage bag, USB Type-C cable, user manual, product description, pressure unit switch, mode switch, LED flashlight switch, pressure increase or decrease button, power or inflation, start or stop button, inflation port, display screen, USB Type-A output port, USB Type-C input or output port, 12-volt car start port, 15-volt or 10 ampere output port. How to use: insert the blue connector of the smart battery clamp into the host and the screen will light up and automatically start. Then correctly connect the battery clamp to the positive and negative poles of the car battery. Red clamp to the positive pole plus of the battery. Black clamp to the negative pole of the battery. If the green light is always on, it means that the connection is correct and the car can be started. If the red light is always on, it means that the positive and negative poles are connected and reverse swap the two clips and start the car. If the green light flashes, it means that the car voltage is too low. If the red and green lights are not on, it means that the car battery may be completely damaged at this time. You need to press the boost button and wait for the green light to be always on and start the car within 30 seconds. How to recharge: connect the data cable to a suitable charger, then plug the home charger into the charging outlet. Insert the plug into the USB Type-C input port on the main unit. Specifications: safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.